All right, so downloading Pear Deck. If you go up to add-ons, click for add-ons, then get add-ons. It's one of the first items usually, but if you need to, you can type Pear Deck up here. Click Pear Deck, and then install. It's important to note the students do not need to download Pear Deck. It just needs to be on the teacher laptop. All right. And now to access Pear Deck, click Add-ons, Pear Deck for Google Slides. It's not there. Maybe I need to give it a minute. Let me try refreshing. And there it is, Open Pear Deck add-on. So again, I have my template library with a lot of different types of questions I can ask. So I could just put right into my presentation. And then if I go back again, there's also these questions that I could just throw on top of any slide to collect student responses. And then when I'm ready to present to students, I click Present Lesson.